Your brake pads can be a little intimidating and confusing to maintain, but they don't have to be. There are 6 signs to look out for so that you know when it's time to get them changed. Also, keep in mind that your brake pads need to be changed every 40,000 to 50,000 miles. But before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If it's taking longer to brake, then this means that your brake pads are worn down, you need brake fluid, or your brake fluid is leaking. Some cars have a light on the dashboard that lets you know it's time to get your brake pads changed. Be sure not to ignore this light. You can also check how thick or thin your brake pads are by visually inspecting them. If the pad is less than 1/4 of an inch thick, you need some new ones. Also, if your car is vibrating when you pump those brakes, then your rotors might be warped. This creates uneven pad wear and is something you want to avoid. Squealing or squeaking noises mean that you've worn down your brake pads completely and have begun to damage the rotors. Come visit our auto service technicians if you hear this noise ASAP. If you hear a grinding noise, then you'll need to have your car brake pads and rotors replaced. This is going to be a super expensive fix. So, save yourself some dollars by fixing them before this happens. Just visit Toyota of Clermont, just west off the Florida Turnpike on State Road 50.